I will talk to you today on the efficacy of repetition of Mahamantra as described in Kalisantarana Upanishad. At the end of Japa Yuga, Narada went to Brahma and said, "O Lord, how can I cross Kali or the mundane existence easily?" Brahma replied, "Well asked. Hearken to that which all the Vedas keep secret and hidden, through which one may cross the samsara or mundane existence. He destroys the evil effects of Kali through the mere uttering of the word Lord Narayana, who is the primeval Purusha." Narada asked Brahma, "O Venerable Lord, what is the name?" Brahma replied, "The names are Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare." These 16 names destroy the evil effects of Kali or sins. There is no better means than this in all the Vedas. These 16 names destroy the avarana or the veil of ignorance that has enveloped the jiva or the human beings. Then just as the sun shines fully after the clouds are dispersed, so also Parabrahman or Supreme Self alone shines after the veil is removed. Narada asked, "O Lord, what are the rules to be observed when one utters these names?" Brahma replied, "O Rishi Narada, there are no rules. Whoever repeats these names 3.5 crores or 35 million times in a pure or impure state is freed at once from all sins. He is at once released from all bondages. He immerses himself in the Lord and attains eternal bliss and immortality." The jiva has 16 kalas, corresponding to which 16 words or names are given in this Mahamantra. This is very good for repetition during Akhanda Kirtan. If you repeat this mantra 20,000 times per day, you will finish 3.5 crores within 5 years. You can sing this mantra and can do Japa also. You can write this mantra in a notebook as Likit Japa. The name of God chanted in any way, correctly or incorrectly, knowingly or unknowingly, carefully or carelessly, is sure to give the desired result. The glory of the name of God cannot be established through reasoning and intellect. It can certainly be experienced or realized through devotion, faith, and constant repetition of the names only. Every name is filled with the countless potencies or shaktis. The power of a name is ineffable. Its glory is indescribable. The efficiency and inherent shakti of the name of God is unfathomable. May you attain God consciousness by repetition of the names of God as described above. May have real taste for the names of the Lord. Oh.